Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to share with you what comes in the Disney Autographs album kit. I have this kit available in my Etsy shop. If you'd like to pick one up, please check the description below this video. There will be a link so you can go purchase the kit. There will be a separate video walkthrough of the album, but this is showing you the contents of the kit. So just a brief look at the album real quick. Count it is a Disney autographs book. However, if you do not get autographs, that's perfectly fine. You'll receive a couple sheets of autograph cards, and they are 4x6. You cut them down to be 4x6. You can either put these on and just put photos in them, or use them as journal spots if you don't do autographs, or don't put them in at all and just add your 4x6 photos. And they are double-sided and double matted. There's also, I apologize for the camera shake. I just bumped the camera there. You also get some 3x4s you can put on as journal spots, or again, just put your photos there instead. So this is just a quick look. There's a couple of inserts, and you put pictures on the front and back or autographs. And also you can put photos in here as well. So this is just a quick look. There's also large inserts on the side. These are 5x7. I believe, go ahead and print a 5x7 photo. You may have to crop it down a smidge, but not too much. And so there you have it. Please check out the full walkthrough video of this album. So let's dig right into the kit. So first of all, you will receive a full packet of instructions, and there are photos. The supply list is on the front, and you'll receive a cutting guide, as well as for your solid cardstock, as well as the decorative paper if you want to make this again. All of this has already been cut for you, so you don't need it unless you're planning on recreating this on your own. So it just kind of gives you a brief look. There's photos for each step in here. And then at the end, you will find the completed, here they are, the completed pictures to follow. And like I said, everything's cut already. So, for the most part. And it's all labeled for you. So you'll have little labels here that'll say the decorative covers packet, everything's in there and cut. Then you'll have a packet for each page number, as well as, so there's separate packets for the decorative papers, the solid mats, and also the base pages. So here's all the decorative. Here's some mats. There'll be one that says back page mats and one that's front page mats. I try to keep it as simple and easy and fun as possible for you, because I want you to have the fun of putting it together. And here's a sticker packet that you'll receive. These are your whole packet of inserts. I did use a corner rounder punch. That's optional. You don't have to round the corners, but there's all the inserts in there. And then here, the black is all the base of the book, just building your book. And it's all separated out for you to make it for easy assembly. You will need a scoring board to score anything that's going to need to be folded. I pre-cut, but not pre-scored. And then you've got your chipboard in there as well. So everything is very organized. In this particular kit, I don't do this in all my kits, but in this particular kit, I did leave you a bonus packet of the leftover scraps that I had left. I used pretty much everything for the most part, but there's little extra bits and pieces if you want to use them for anything. These are the autograph sheets. You would just have to cut them out. You get a 12x12 sticker sheet. This is the cover sheet from the pack, which normally I throw these away, but I decided to include it in case you wanted to cut out any of the little elements, you can, or you can toss it, but it's still usable even though it's just a cover sheet. But go ahead and toss it if it's not something that you want. I just threw it in there. This was also part of the scraps. It was just a really big sheet. I only used 2 corners. And then you get a full sheet of the 3x4 cards. And let's see, also a full sheet of the 4x6 cards. These are double-sided, so you can actually use the other side if you would rather not use the cards. And then just as an added bonus, I threw in 1 sheet each of each color. So one for the base. This actually you will need for your stickers and for your Mickey Mouse punch, Mickey head punch. So you'll need some of that. And then I matted some of the cardstock stickers on the black and then just hand cut, fuzzy cut with the scissors. So you will need the black. And then these you really don't need. I just threw them in there in case you wanted them for anything. You've got them. So that is all. That's everything that comes in your kit. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll pick up one of these. It's really fun to put together. It's a great beginner album, and I'm here to help. So if you are working on it and struggling for any reason, I do explain everything as clear as I possibly can, and add photos as well. But if there's anything that you're confused about, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can message me or leave a comment, and I will be happy to help you in any way that I can. So that's it for this video, and I really hope that this helps you in deciding if you'd like to pick up one of these kits. And again, please check out the full walkthrough video on my channel, and please click the like button if you'd like this video, and please subscribe to see more videos and click that notification bell. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.